In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn purchase orders on in QuickBooks Online. Turning on purchase orders is a great way to track what you've ordered from vendors before the bill actually comes in. It helps you stay organized, avoid duplicate orders, and keep a clear paper trail for your purchasing process. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online and what to click, so you can start using purchase orders right away. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open up your main settings menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the behind-the-scenes options that control how your account behaves. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Click on that. This will open a new window or panel where you can manage different parts of your QuickBooks setup, such as your company details, sales, expenses, and more. Once you're in Account and Settings, look along the left-hand side for the tab labeled Expenses. Click on the Expenses tab. This is where you can customize how you track what you spend, how your bills are handled, and in this case, how your purchase orders are set up. Inside the Expenses section, scroll down until you see the area called Purchase Orders. On the right-hand side of that section, there will be a small edit icon that looks like a pencil. Click that pencil icon to open the settings just for purchase orders. Now you'll see an option that says Use Purchase Orders. This is the main switch you need. Turn this option on. Once this is enabled, QuickBooks will allow you to create and manage purchase orders from your expenses and vendor screens, which can really streamline your buying process. After you've turned on the Use Purchase Orders option, make sure to save your changes. Click the Save button in that section so QuickBooks knows to apply the new setting. When that's done, click Done to close out of Account and Settings and return to your main QuickBooks view. That's all you need to do. Purchase orders are now turned on in your QuickBooks Online account, and you're ready to start creating them as part of your everyday workflow.